I used to think rich people had some secret formula that I didn't know about. Turns out, after studying their habits and actually implementing them, I realized the secret isn't really a secret at all. It's not about waking up at 4 a.m. It's not about taking ice baths. It's about simple, consistent habits that compound over time. So in this video, I'm revealing 5 daily habits wealthy people practice. Habits that completely changed my relationship with money and success. When I first started my YouTube channel, my inner voice was brutal. You're not qualified enough. There are people better than you. You're not a good talker. That voice kept me from starting for months. But then I noticed something. Every successful person I admired had the same voice too. The difference? They acted anyway. They didn't wait for confidence to show up. They built confidence by acting. Now, every time my inner critic starts talking, I simply think, "Thanks for sharing." And then I do the thing anyway, because staying safe doesn't build wealth. Action does. In 2022, I'd been working on my channel for 7 months. Some views, some comments, nothing life-changing. But around September, something clicked. I became obsessed. I thought about my channel every morning, every lunch break, every weekend. While others partied, I worked. And honestly, it was lonely. But that's what it takes to go from 0 to 1. Obsession isn't unhealthy, it's necessary. Every extraordinary person I've met had a period of obsession. You can balance later. But first, go all in on what matters. Why do we think it's normal to work 40 years and retire at 60? Why do we think having one income is safe, but investing is risky? We grow up with beliefs like, money doesn't grow on trees. You shouldn't talk about finances. You have to work hard in a job you hate. But here's the truth. Those beliefs aren't facts. They're just stories. Once I started questioning them, my life changed. I quit my banking job, started this channel, and built a life around freedom, not fear. If your old money rules don't serve you, rewrite them. Most people trade time for money. You show up, you get paid. You stop, the money stops. But the wealthy, they've learned to separate time from income. They build systems. They create digital products. They invest in assets that work even when they don't. For me, that meant creating content that earns views long after I post it, products that sell automatically, and investments that grow while I sleep. That's real financial freedom. When your money works harder than you do. I used to fear failure. If something didn't work, I'd take it personally. But wealthy people don't avoid failure. They analyze it. They collect failures like data points. Every mistake teaches something. Instead of saying, "I'm bad at this," they ask, "What can I learn from this?" Now I think the same way. If something flops, I just say, "It's fine. I'll figure it out," because failure isn't the opposite of success. It's part of it. By the way, this mindset of learning from every failure is exactly why I love Brilliant, the sponsor of today's video. Brilliant is an online learning platform that makes complex topics simple and fun. You learn by doing through thousands of interactive lessons in math, data, programming, and AI. Even 10 minutes a day can change how you think. They've just launched new data science lessons using real data sets from Airbnb, Spotify, and more. Let's recap. 1. Act anyway. 2. Embrace obsession. 3. Question what you've been taught. 4. Make money while you sleep. 5. Treat failure as data. Simple, right? But powerful enough to change your life, just like they changed mine. Thanks for watching. And remember, confidence doesn't come before action. It comes after it. Now go. Act anyway.